Welcome back to Explore Error. Learn how to reset your mouse settings on a Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you are having any problems with your mouse and you want to restore it back to the default settings, you can do that, and it is very easy to do. First, go to the search icon and type mouse. The best match will appear as mouse settings. Once you click on that, a window will open like this, where you can change things such as the mouse pointer speed, enhance pointer precision, and other options as well. But since we want to reset the mouse settings, we need to click on Additional Mouse Settings. When you click on it, another window will open called Mouse Properties, with options like buttons and pointers. From here, click on the Pointers tab. Now you will see the option called Use Default. Click on Use Default, then click on Apply, and after that, click on OK. And that's it. Your mouse settings have now been successfully reset. This is how you can reset your mouse on Windows. If you found this short tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day and take care.